everybody, MJ here and welcome to another video. How are you guys? I hope you're doing safe, healthy and productive at the same time. And guys, kamusta naman mo? It's been a long time since wala ito nag-story in Ani, like sit down video lang and then directly talking to you, because I know for sure the last video that inyong nakita would probably be the fake tongue prank sa ako ang mama. Yeah. First and foremost, gusto lang yun kaayo ko magpasalamat. It's actually, i-consider na lang na ako na birthday week pa ne. Today is Sunday and ito Wednesday is my birthday. And thank you so much to all of you who greeted me sa inyong mga sweet birthday messages, yung mga well wishes. Thank you so much. Alright you guys, so it's official. I am a freshman student of Xavier Law School. And I am so proud to myself because I survived the first week of it. Diba? Grabe. Intense. That's why I'm gonna be sharing to you my realizations on that week. But, you know, dagan pa kayo kong ma-share to all of you guys. Pero, tulo lang sa for now. But definitely, there's a lot of sharing happening on my YouTube channel about my law school journey. And I'm happy to share it with you. I promise, tanan ako mga hinanakit, ako ang mga realizations and the things that I should have done. I'm gonna share it to all of you guys. I'll go straight, directly to my realizations. So I have here my mini notes. So tatlo lang muna again for now. I have a lot of things to share to you. So, nakoy utang. Okay, so first realization, ladies and gentlemen, is do not come unprepared. Do not come unprepared. Do not come unprepared. As much as possible, basaha gyud. Do all the readings that your prof assigned to you. Well, as for my case, ako ang case, you know, I'm a working student, by the way. I'm not a full-time student. So I really have to manage my time in reading. So, every after work or every after break or night break or ano sa show, I really have to take the time nga at least makabasa gamay. And if I have a lot of time already, then that's the time that I will really read hard and understand. And the reason why you should not come unprepared, it's because of the recitations. What if ikaw tawagon? Girl, I've never been afraid of index card before. Karon lang yun. Karon lang nga ginabalasa sa imong professor in front of you sa camera. Murag, I cannot. So, kulba siya nga feeling. You know, like, it's my first encounter nga balasahon ang imuhang ngalan sa index card actually. So, you know, so as much as possible, read yun sa mga daily targets na mga gina-assign sa inyo ha on that meeting. And if you have a lot of time to read ahead, to read in advance, then good for you. Okay, so my second realization is that, here, do not be afraid to ask your upperclassmen or kind of mga higher years ninyo. Actually, one thing I really appreciate sa being in XU law, kay super approachable ang mga higher years, ang mga upperclassmen. I mean, I thought man good before ha. I thought na mataha ko or maulong ko doon sa ila or they're here and we're here lang. Ano bitaw na feeling? Pero no, it's bayanihan. I mean, they're so warm and willing to listen and willing to help mag-extend ang tabang sa imuhas, especially sa mga freshmen. I know all the freshmen, feel yun na nila nga feeling na pinatabangan ta sa itong mga higher years and upperclassmen. And the officers actually initiate that kind of program nga ang freshman na siya buddy na of course para na direct mapangutan-an, so whatever ng mga questions that bother sa amua, at least among mapangutan at among body. So yeah, it's very helpful para sa ako. It's very helpful to open up to your upper class and ask these things, especially ako nga, ladies and gentlemen, wala ko yung major background of, you know, sa something related to law. Okay, most of my classmates are pol sci. By the way, sa among block, we are all working students. So, laban. And the third and last that I want to share right now It's surround yourself with supportive tips. Surround yourself with supportive tips. Aside sa mga supportive people na to ng mga upperclassmen, it's really, really important na you have your best support system. Like for me, it's my family. Grabe. Although, nakaka-pressure yun because my papa already actually is a tourist doctor. He's just waiting his time para mag-take upar. And my mom here, always nagsigigaw pangutan nga kamusta ang class or are you feeling, but in a way ang pressure it turns to a motivation, but in a good way. They pressure me in a good way. That's why it's important that you have those people that believes in you, and especially also my loved ones, my friends, my closest friends. They're there to understand you nga inani na ang life career ni Jane that for the next years dili kay nato siya makauban. So naay mo ngayon na mga factors, no, but it's great that they understand you. That's why you really need to support to surround yourself with those kind of people that will totally understand the hardship of being a law student. Alright, so that's it for now, guys. I'm not gonna keep it any longer. Thanks so much for watching till this end. And I know di pa ni mao na journey that I'll be facing sa law school, but I'm happy to share it all to you guys. So I hope you will stay tuned in more of my videos, maybe next days or next week, next month. I hope not next year, but definitely I'm gonna talk to you about my law school journey. So see you on my next video, and always watch Good Time To every 9 to 10 in the morning. And yeah, catch up tayo next time. Bye!